Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Terrence Ray back at you with another stock market update live. The reason why I'm going live, I'm getting ready to put a trade on, so I just wanted to talk through it. So I was like, what other better way to talk through a trade and go ahead and do a live? Let's see. I'm gonna hide everything, hide all my indicators. Now the market and what I have up right now is NVIDIA. Excuse me. So NVIDIA is currently down right now in the day, down about a little over 3%. Still reeling a little bit from the deep, what is it, deep seek news. So basically, China has its own version of open AI, and they can do it for a fraction of the cost that is being done here. So it's basically disrupting the AI market. And that's why you see Nvidia down like it is. You see Microsoft down, and you see a lot of the well, some of the companies that have something to do with it, they're down. Uh, I just looked at Meta. Meta's going crazy right now. But so you got Nvidia down. Now what you got to ask yourself is, will Nvidia continue to stay down? Like, do you think that Nvidia will continue to, go down? This is a 1 year chart that we're looking at. Now, it's quite possible that that it could go lower, right? We don't know. I don't know. I'm not gonna act like I do know for sure. But I like Nvidia at 119 as opposed to it being, if you liked it, this is my thing. If you liked it at 145, you gotta love it at 119. Or if you liked it at 152, so sometimes like we hear some news and you know, the market goes wherever it goes, and sometimes they call it buying opportunities, right? Or it can be. Now, for me, I'm gonna place an option trade on here. I want to get bullish. I want to buy it while it's down, and I want to see if I can get a quick pop, take advantage of a quick pop to the upside, and then place a small trade. Then we're going after that. I may buy. We'll look at some crypto. So let's go to the option chain. Now, something like NVIDIA does have earnings after the bell on February 26th. So that's about what? How many days is that? Um, the February 26th, about what, 27, 28 days. Now I'm gonna go out to maybe March. I want to be right around 36 days. Now, normally I would say do the monthlies. I don't quite know if I want to go out 50 days. Right. Now, just because I'm going out 50 days don't mean I have to hold it for 50 days. Just giving you more time. You may get better pricing here going out 50 days. I just don't um if you go out further in time and you buy what I'm going to buy, which is called a call spread, which is a bullish trade, a long call spread, you're not gonna if it only you're gonna need a larger movement to make the money. So I'd rather have less time. That way I only need about maybe a probably a $6 or $7 move to the upside. So I'm gonna do an in the money, uh, in and out spread. I may come. Let's look at buying the 120 and selling the 122. Right now, the mid price. Now this is a wide bid ask. It's showing me I got like 75 cent here, 110 here. Um, but it's a $2 wide. So the mid price is saying 92 cent. So basically I'm risking 200 bucks because it's a $2 wide spread. Now, whatever I pay for it is what I can really lose on it, to be honest with you. So if I pay $92 for it, that's the most I'm gonna lose on it. And more than likely, I'm gonna penny this down. So what I'll do is, because the price is right at 119, 190. I'm probably gonna go up. Let's buy the 119. Let's try to sell the 121. And then I'm gonna come in a little lower than what it's showing. Let's come in maybe at let's try 85 cent and let's see if I get filled. Which I doubt I will, but I just wanna, because the bid ask spread is wide, I wanna come in low. So basically I'm doing something almost like a price discovery, right? So now it's showing a buck. Let's penny it up. Let's go to 90 and let's see what happens. So now you can see I'm offering 90. The mid price is still saying a buck and it's saying 97. I'm not gonna pay more than a buck for it, but I want to see. Let's see. Let's go to 93. Now, matter of fact, let's go. Yeah, let's go to 93 and see if we get filled. No fill. It's still saying. Let's go to 94. Offer up 94. No fill. As long as I don't pay more than a buck for it. If it's a $2 wide spread, I'm at 95. No fill. This is why you generally will, I would say the monthlies are better. They're more liquid. The bid ask would have been tighter. We'll go to 97. Let's see. I got filled at 97. So it was showing a buck and I got filled at 97. I say what, $3. If I would have just went straight in at a buck, that's what I would have paid for. Now, so basically, now if I go click on it again, if I wanted to do more, I know I just got filled at 97. So that, I just, did a little price discovery. Now I'm gonna come down here. You see it says probability of profit says 45%. Now I'm not gonna try to make all of the business that I paid 97 bucks for it. I'm gonna try to make maybe about half of that. Let's call it maybe 47, 48 bucks, 48 bucks, 49, half of what I paid. Now let's go back to the trade tab. It's telling you P50. That's saying that making 50% of the max profit, I got a 60% chance of doing that. I increase my probabilities by being willing to take less for profit. This is called a call spread. I'm getting long. I need the market to go up in order for me to make money. And I could come here to the trade tab. If I come to the trade tab and go back to the analysis tab and look at it, you can see here green is where I make money. You see red is where I lose money. And I basically got a 50-50 shot. And you say, well, it's a 50-50 shot to make money, but the market is down, relatively speaking. It gapped down. See this big hole right here? I'm banking that NVIDIA will rise a little bit. It don't have to go all the way up here. It probably go to about 130 and I'll be out of this trade and that'll be a winner and I'll be on to the next trade. And so one of the things that I like to do to get me out of the trades, now that I have the trade on, right? So here we go, got the trade. I know that I paid 97 bucks for it. So I'll bring my calculator up. Now, I'll go and I'll say if I paid 97, let's see, we'll zero that out. How much do I want to make off of it? So I'll say 0.97 times, let's say 1.5. That's 50% of what I paid. 1.45. I'll round up and say 146. So that means I'll make 146 minus 97. I'll make 49 bucks on the trade. Or if I put in 145, it'd be 145 minus 97. What I paid, that'd be 48 bucks. That's probably what I'll do. So see there, that's all on. And then I'll go ahead and put that in. So I click on the NVIDIA, and then I'm going to click on vertical, and that highlights both both calls, and then I'll right click and I'm going to click on close position. Now they have something here where it says close profit percentage. You can go in here and then you can click that and it'll give you a percentage of the max profit that you can make. But I like to do it the way that I do it. And so, especially when I'm buying options, when I sell them, I'll use that. And then I come here, I'm going to highlight, and then I'm going to put in 145, tab over. And if you look down at the bottom, you see it says max profit 48 bucks. And I'm going to, where it says net credit, I'm going to change this to GTC time in 4. So this is good to cancel, which means that I can be at work, I can be on vacation, I could be working out. I could be doing whatever. I don't have to be at the computer to close this trade out. Excuse me. I am willing to risk all of this. It's just what I say. It's just 97 bucks. So I'm willing to take the full loss on it to see if we can hit this trade. I'm gonna click. I'm gonna click send and send it off, and then there we go. And so you can see it says working. And then if I come over here on the video, it also shows me the trade working right here. And then that's that. And so it's even gone down even more since I put the trade on, you see, which is fine. Um, it just looked like to me that it may have been forming a bottom right here, which I could be wrong. So we'll just see, we'll watch it and then we'll see what we get. Now, another thing I wanted to talk about, I had uh, one of my buddies hit me up and he was like, man, he was talking about the Donald Trump meme coin. What is it called? Trump coin or whatever. They don't have that on this platform, by the way. But and he was like, man, how can I get in on it? A lot of times, once you've already seen that initial pump, you've already missed that boat. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I can pull up. Let's see if we can pull up pull up Trump coin. I'll pull it up so we can take a look at it. I'm about to pull up Trade and View. It's free, so I should be able to pull it up on here. Let's go to. It's gonna let me pull up Trump coin. What it is the ticker for it? So I can come over here and click up in the left top corner. I'm gonna click on crypto. Let's go. Let's type in Trump. Is that what it is? It's Trump coin. I got so many, and you got to be careful with this too, because you got people Yeah, people putting stuff on here. I think this is the official one, but I think this is it right here. It's trading at 27 bucks. So he hit me up, like he texted me, like, how can I get in on a Trump coin? Well, you missed this, right? Now it's here. Now maybe it can get back up here. Just as long as you understand that you buying it here instead of here, which is the name of the game is buy low. The name of the game is to buy low and sell high, right? So if you think that it can go higher, then you can make that play, right? I'm not gonna I had to wait to see it start to go up again. Something like this. If you're gonna buy it, I wouldn't put no more than, I don't know, man, $100 in it or something like that. You put a whole bunch of money in there. Now, if you could have cut, like I said, you could have got in there before, but it was already up here, so maybe it'll get back up. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. He released this coin on the Solana, um, on the Solana chain or Solana blockchain. So you got basically the major players is you got Bitcoin, you got Ethereum, and now you have Solana. And then some would say Ripple too, you know. But those are your like your major ones. So he released it on Solana. So for me, I would be like, well, shoot, let's go look at Solana. Now you can see in Solana, we got this. We got today. We got a big green candle. That don't mean me personally. I would rather try to buy Solana, which you can see I got. You see, I got a lot more data for it when I go back and go back and look at it. Solana at one point, so it was back here. It was up 241, and then it even got up to here. It got up to what? What's that? What's that? That one 240, 262. What was the high? 295 right here. And so now we at 241. So, and maybe this is a support level. So it take this high out, come back and sitting right here at this retest level. Maybe we get another move in Solana, possibly. So I would say Solana might be the coin or for me to make a play. Now we go look at, and it is up like 6% on the day. You got Polygon, it's only like 41 cent. Let's see, you got look at Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is breaking, look like it's getting ready to break to all-time highs. Everybody wait till I'm doing a show and then start texting. So you see, we got, and I wasn't even intending to look at Bitcoin, but you see Bitcoin. I do have levels for it, Fibonacci levels. And you can see this level right here. It hit, respected, hit again, respected. Now we're going back up there. I would think that if Bitcoin makes it back up to here again, it's going to break through that high and then going up to the next level up here, maybe around 116, 117 up here. So that's the next level I see for Bitcoin. Now, if we believe that these move together in tandem, which they do sometimes, we got a big green candle on Ethereum. So maybe Ethereum is getting ready to break out of this range right here. You got like a little descending triangle. If I was to draw it, I would draw something like so. You got this right here. Um, let's put another one on. And you got something like so. If you guys can see that. So, see that triangle right there? So if we see Ethereum, so you had your 1, 2, 3 triangle, here's your 4. The fifth wave, it should, not always, but it should come out here and then take this high out. Maybe, right? Sometimes you see an abbreviated 5 where it comes here. That's a little Elliott wave for you guys, a little bonus action. Now let's go back to Solana and then let's see Solana. Solana sitting right here with a green candle itself. Can we get a move to the upside? I think that we may, right? I think we may. I think it's possible. So let's go. Let's drop this down. Let's go here. Let's go to now on the Tasty Trade platform. One of the things you can come up here to you got table, curve, active, grid, crypto. If I click on crypto, I thought I already agreed to that. If I come to crypto, then we come here and I would just have to put whichever ones I want up here, the ones that I can trade. Here are the ones that you can trade on the platform. You got Bitcoin, BCH. I think that's like Bitcoin. That's like some other type of Bitcoin, like let me click on it. Bitcoin Cash, which I don't really mess around with that. I don't know but you got Bitcoin right here. So we can put Ethereum right here. If you want to put Doge or Litecoin, whichever one, you can put Doge here. Then you can come over here and you can put Solana. I don't know why the chart not showing. Should be showing a chart right here. Maybe I need to go back out and come back in. Go to crypto. For some reason, it's not showing them. Like I got let me see if I click I want to see the chart on here. For some reason, it's not showing the chart. I see the bid ask, and it's not showing. But I was going to buy some Solana. Those were my intentions to come on here and buy some Solana. But I wanted to see that for some reason it's not showing me the chart on here. So I'm not gonna buy it. For some reason now, I don't know why. I could be doing something wrong. But maybe I'll wait and then do another video on that because I want to see the chart here, and it's not showing it, and I'm not quite sure why it's not showing. So like that, I can see the SPY here. So like I could put a grid. This is just something else. Like if you doing some day trading, you could put and you looking at 6 different stocks, you can put them all on here, or you can put uh different futures on here, whatever, and day trade, right? I'm not doing that. But just the same way you see that on there, I should be able to see when I go to crypto, I should be able to see some charts on here and it's not showing them. So maybe something I gotta enable that I hadn't enabled this year, right? Instead of I wanted to do them on the platform, and then you can take the coin that you buy on the platform, and then you can transfer it to your wallet. So I have a Tasty Crypto wallet, and I could just go on there and just buy the Solana on there. But if I do it on there, I won't be able to show you guys and do a video on it. So that's that. But hopefully you guys got something out of this. I did, just to recap what I did today. I bought a long call spread, about one in the money at the time, sold one out of the money. I paid 97 bucks for it. And then I went on ahead and put a closing order in to sell it for 145. So paid 97 for it. Once the value gets up to 145, the platform will automatically sell it, close that trade out for me, and book that trade. So right now I still have the the short put spread in the bonds, and you can see this is right where I'm at right here. Um, and with that being said, guys, I'm gonna be out, going get my workout on, finish drinking my coffee. I'm out. Peace.